and I really look forward to hear your presentation. So now I stop share, and it's up to you to share.
Okay, good morning, everybody. We are here in white and frosty Czechia now. So our climate conditions are similar as conditions in Sweden, I guess, now, these days. And my presentation will focus on few examples exploring biotechnology as one of key instruments of textile innovations. As was mentioned, I am technical and sales director of Inotex company. Inotex is a small technology transfer and innovation company specialized for a long time in wet processing, we say. It means in textile chemistry, development and implementation of textile auxiliaries and dyes. And one of very actual item now supporting it are biotechnologies. What's the key of this activity? It's vision and strategical tool, meaning biotechnologies, as one of priorities of biotech-related R&D, specifically for application in textiles. It is typical multi-sectoral, interdisciplinary, scientific and industrial cooperation. And this coordination is very crucial things to achieve and realize objectives of strategical research agenda. Bioeconomy and bio-based materials, both were decided as lead market initiatives, bringing the new dimensions for the future. There are objectives. It is establishing of long-term cooperation between two ETPs. It means Textile and Europa Bio Saschem platform. It is defining, actualize the joint research roadmap, or better say roadmaps on both sides. And it is oriented to development, strategical oriented collaborative research project between both sectors, speeding up this emergence of new renewable resources, new technologies, and industrial applications. And biotechs, what's what is the reason, respectively, what is where are the textile industry needs? It is processing time reduction and flexibility, of course. One of principle is conjunction of processes into single step, and better say also often single bath procedures, cutting down processing time. And improving possibility to multi-purpose use of existing devices, because one of key point of textile platform strategy is development of new things which are ready for application by use of existing devices to minimize dependency of their implementations depending on investments. Less energy consuming processes, that's logical because all you can see how harsh is now situation on the market with energy costs, which are significantly reducing efficiency and effectiveness of users sectors, including textile. New renewable materials, efficient, of course, materials for new added value markets. And these are instruments avoiding dependence on conventional, it means petrochemical resources. And focus on cleaner production is also clear. And just reusable, recyclable, and bio-based and biodegradable materials are one of necessary instruments. Where are opportunities? It is the fact that industrial biotechnology has a major potential to drive the textile sector into new possibilities of selective enzymatic catalysis. We will speak about a few examples which exist in reality as an alternative for chemical processing and chemical catalysis. We try to extend the use of emerging new bio-based materials, leading to textiles with new functional properties. And it is not only area of textile substrate, but also area of textile auxiliary agents and application of textiles for specific end users area like medical, technical, or well-being textiles. Natural and artificial biofermented fibrous polymer, that's one of emerging area of development. Greater utilization of natural renewable fiber resources as an instrument of new surface architecture of hybridized fibrous matrices and supporting shift from refined oil to renewable natural local, possibly local European resources. Results will be used for speed up of innovations, flexibility, greater production of value-added products. One of the key document was prepared in March 2022 when European Commission prepared strategic document, European Strategy for Sustainable and Circular Textiles. Resulting on it as resonance, European Textile Platform, Technological Textile Platform, significantly actualized the strategic research agenda in April 2022. And this document contains also bio-related innovation themes like theme 3, circular economy in resource efficiency, where there are 5 research priorities, from which especially fourth, biorefinery concept, and fifth, greater use of European origin of natural fibers play an important role just in the area of collaboration between Saschem Bio and textile technological platforms. One of example can be mentioned in potential possibility of use or enzymatic biocatalysts within the biotech in textile sector. Why? Because enzymatic processes are very helpful for functionalization of textiles and fibers. Enzymes for sustainable processing, processes of textile fibers and fibers and polymers development, processing and reuse of textile and mixed waste. You know that especially area of reuse and utilization of textile waste has a very big future potential. Enzyme engineering for textile, fiber and polymer processes. Biopolymers produced by microorganisms. It is a growing area where so-called microbial cell factories works. And also perspectives of textile and polymer biotechnologies for the future, like renewable fibers, polylactic acid-based biopolyamide, polyhydroxyalkanoates, etc. And it is the package representing industrial textile fiber and polymer biotechnology. What are enzymes? Enzymes are natural biocatalysts. They have advantages like typical selectivity. It means specificity to the substrate based on so-called lock and key mechanism. Works at low concentrations and under moderate process condition. It means by soft pH, temperature, and humidity conditions. They give possibility to combine. It means customized activity, improvement to the substrate, like functionality, selectivity for fiber blends, etc. They have also disadvantages where the key is risk of irreversible protein denaturation resulting to inactivity. It must be prevented by application conditions of enzymatic catalysts. And it is then a very helpful, cleaner processing tool. Where we are in enzyme applications actually. There are examples in the area of flax or hemp decortication. We say this is a technology called bioretting. It is possible to use it also by spraying on the field of pulled stalks. Flux cottonization, desizing and bioscouring, peroxide killers, improving yield of reactive diebaths, anti-pilling and biopolishing, supporting touch and character of textile materials, stonewashing, decolorization is a coming opportunity of enzymatic processing as well. Hydrophilization of polyester substrates, which is a specific new area of enzymatic treatment, replacing harsh chemistry. Coatings modifications, biorecycling of textiles mentioned on the introduction of this seminar also. Elimination of air pollutions by polyester thermofixing. Research goals are focusing enzyme catalysts for cleaner production, biofunctionalization of new textile qualities, and bioprocessing of waste. These are examples of biotechnologies in use, and now few specific examples what Innotex is offering based on application of specifically developed enzymes. And I would like to say that Innotex strategy is based on technological development supported by own specialized productions. It means we try to customize solutions and offer then products and technologies by use of our scale up special capacities on the side of chemicals, respectively biochemicals, and also on the side of textile finishing. So this bioretting technology can be used in the phase of spraying of harvested stems on the field after the pulling of flax hemp. We have Texazyme SER range of products, which opens possibility to increase yield of long fibers, and it is based on attack of natural glues in the structure of biased fibrous stalks. And or we can use a range of our specific enzymes for after treatment of partly mechanically opened stalks in the circulation systems, which also increase elementarization and cleanliness of fibers. We are working now, among others, also on improvement of compatibility of matrices of composites with fibrous reinforcement structures. You can see the result of our enzymatic processing of oilseed flax, where it is clear that fineness and cleanliness of substrates is significantly improved. Another example are catalysis used as peroxide killers after bleaching of cellulosics before reactive dyeing, because it's known that by oxidization of reactive dyestuffs, yield of reactive bath is reduced. You can see differences of original and peroxide containing dyeing bath on this slide. For this purpose, we have now Texazyme DOX new, which can be used as part of dyeing step before dyeing. and it is possible to continue with no rinsing with dyeing. We work on specific enzyme for after soaping of reactive dyeing. You can see resulting a shortening of mm, after soap process if we apply this specific enzyme. And another area is significant shortening opportunity of uh, processing of cellulosic textiles using novozymes, respectively, actually, Noonics system of Cellusoft combi. You see that conventional time of processing 245 minutes can be reduced to less of one half by use of this combi system. Also, shortening of bioscouring and biopretreatment based of enzymes. This scheme shows that there is space for shortening of this very necessary process of pretreatment, resulting also in improvement of the whole process, including coloration. Inotex introduced a specific enzyme for treatment of polyester, so it is break into the synthetic fiber processing, where our enzyme is introducing carboxylic and hydroxylic reactive groups into the structure of polyester polymer, and it is resulting to improvement of hydrophilicity, first of all, and these reactive groups helps by functionalization of polyester materials. It is also demonstrated by fact that this polyester treated by our enzyme can be, we don't say dyed, but colored with reactive dye stuff, which is normally not the case. And it is a process running by mild treatment conditions. It means by low temperature around 30-40 degree and by pH around 5. This process reduce only a little the weight of treated fabric, maximally around 1.5% against 20 and more percent due conventional alkaline deweighting. So it is influencing also contamination of environment. Sustainability of textile resources. It is now very actual topic because actually still about 70% of textile fibers are processed by use of chemicals and almost actually fossil-based chemicals. The main plant fiber is still cotton, not of European origin, only very small production in Greece, but it is also fiber where Europe is dependent on ex-European resources. which tends to potential risk of limited availability because there are climate changes like in RLC area of cotton production, extensional market demand of production countries, and also systematic support of local utilization of cotton, like system in India, make in India, etc. It means natural fibers of local European origin can play one of key roles in the resource sustainability of our branch. And reasonable position has biomass based on forestry, wooden biomass. It's possible to see significant increase of production of emerging qualities of cellulosic regenerated fibers, including new bioprocessings. It is a way how to cut this strong existing dependence on imports and fossil-based resources, including complex wasteless utilization of crop and support of rural economy, which is bringing employment in regions. Bio for textiles. It is not an invitation to the cinema. It's part of the long-term strategy for revitalization of European textile and clothing sector, as specified in its strategical research agenda from April 2022. There are innovations team 3, durable, circular, and bio-based materials and processes. With topic 2, especially bio-based and natural fibers, and also innovation team 4 of this strategic research industrial area and innovation area, which is focusing safe, low footprint products, processes, and responsible supply chains, safe materials and better chemistry, and development of non-toxic bio-based alternatives for textile chemistry, bio-based chemistry, and a growing area of application of anchor peptides for durable water and oil repellent materials, replacing fluorocarbonated materials. Here I would like to show that knowledge-based bioeconomy is nothing new or still short-term fashion item. It started with this mentioned Biotech's roadmap in 2006, where our collaborations between textile and bio industries have been specified for first time, and this long-term strategy continues in a set of European platform documents 2006 until the last one ready to transform in 2022. So my suggestion is follow us on the track from bio-based idea into the sustainable textile reality, using the long-term interdisciplinary approach presented based on documents of both Euratex and Europa Bio associations. Thank you for your attention.
Thank you very much, Jan. Very interesting presentation, much to think of. I can see that yet there are no questions in the Q&A, but I would like to ask you how you see the market of flax and hemp the upcoming years in Europe. Are textile producers and brands asking for it, and are farmers scaling up?
That's just the key problem, how to improve coordinated approach between producers, it means farmers, processing partners and end users. But because the trend of replacement of imported resources is now focusing on available European resources, bast fibrous materials play logically a significant role because they are well domesticated. They are sorts optimized for different climate condition areas of Europe, mainly France, Holland, or Poland, also Czechia, and then Romania, and so. And the trend is to improve yield of mm, those bast fibrous resources. And as I mentioned, retting and bioprocessing can play one of very important roles, supporting cleanliness of fibers, elementarization of long fibrous qualities, but also improving space for application of bast fibrous reinforcements in area of composites, because cleaner surface and customization of enzymatic treatment, maximizing cleanliness of surface to get better compatibility between fibrous reinforcements and matrices, and minimization of influence on internal glues used for application of biased fibrous materials in composite application is one of also our joint international project activity now.
Interesting and a good answer. We have one more question here from Maria José Carvalho in Portugal, Portuguese textile cluster. Based on your experience, what is the level of implementation of biotechnologies in the textile industry?
Different in different countries. There are countries with very intensive and systematic approach in this area, like France, growing intensity of activities in Holland. I think also, especially North Portuguese, focus on this biorelated application in textile. But one of the key is effective utilization of European resources for extensional and innovative processing systems, starting by bioretting to optimize the yield. Even France, Holland, but also first initiatives in Poland, where those natural fibers, and also Germany, those natural fibers are produced signalize that growing of biotechnology in textile will be the key topic, but also processing. It's necessary to accept that textile today are not only t-shirts, but plenty of textile is used in technical application, including automotive, including construction, geo and eco textiles, and also here bio-based functionalizations are growing.
Really looking forward to the future to see all those, and it is a challenge for all those technical applications with strong demands. I think we have time for one more question, and that is from Silmao Telmesen. Sorry for my pronunciation here. What is being done in your company regarding replacing the market-dominating fossil-based textile fibers with bio-based fibers, beside your great work on bio-based chemicals, processes and additives being used in your company?
Yes, because one of key domains in economy and activity of Inotex is scale up of new developed textile auxiliaries, working on the European level in this area of bio-based technologies. We try to extend especially range of our enzymes. It's available on our websites, or if you will need more information, I can send you the complete overview of existing enzymatic products for actually quite a wide area of efficient application of enzymes, and supported by pressure of legislation and restrictions in the area of cleaner productions. These systems will surely play more and more visible role. And Inotex production facilities are ready for not bio production of enzymes, but for production of customized solutions, improving efficient and effective application of such kind of products from our production range.
Thank you very much. And with that said, I think it's time to wrap up today. And so I would like to thank you, Jan, and also to or the audience who has been listening today. And we see you in a while with the next webinar. Thank you very much for today.